Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Smart Speaker, and today I'll show you how we can disable Hey Google on the speaker. As you can see, currently it works, right? So we have to go for the Google Home app, then find our speaker, but it's very important to go for our Gmail account. As you can see, I'm logging to the few accounts, and sometimes it's switched to the default to this one, but actually I'm connected with this one. So when you go here and tap on the settings, right now the settings will be enabled, and then we have to go simply for the recognition and sharing, then tap to recognition and personalization, and go for the voice match. And when you're here, we can simply turn off the OK Google. So click here, and right now when you say OK Google, our speaker will be not activated with this feature. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like,
I didn't understand.
comment and subscribe to our channel.